I'm Moreh Josh, and I teach grade 7 math at the Toronto Heschel School. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Beautiful Triangle Project, which is the summative project in the grade 7 geometry unit. So throughout the unit, the students are introduced to a wide variety of geometric concepts. They learn all about angles, about circles, about different kinds of triangles, solving for unknown angles, building triangles when you only have a limited amount of information. So throughout the semester, they're introduced to these different ideas, and partway through, the math class becomes integrated with another subject, like many classes do at the Toronto Heschel School. The math class becomes integrated with visual arts. So the students are introduced to their artist in residence for the unit, Wassily Kandinsky, who is known as one of the first abstract artists, but most importantly for this project, used different geometric shapes and different geometric concepts in his artwork to help convey artistic ideas. So students study the work of Wassily Kandinsky, draw inspiration from it, and are then tasked with creating their own artwork, trying to convey some abstract idea. But rather than just creating the artwork, they're asked to include the geometric ideas that they had learned about within the unit, within the project. So the students ask themselves, if I include an equilateral triangle here, what effect does that have on the person who's viewing the artwork? If I use an obtuse angle here, what effect can that have? How about intersecting lines? How about parallel lines? They ask all these questions throughout the process and ultimately create their own artwork. So why do we, in this geometry unit, decide that we want to include this artistic project? There's sort of two reasons. Number one, the students, by creating this artwork, sort of further internalize what they've been studying. It helps to reinforce their memory of it. But secondly, they come to view the geometry and everything they've learned about, not just as these mathematical concepts that live on their own, but more importantly that, in the world, in artwork, in architecture, that these things, these mathematical ideas that sort of explain how things work, they do have an effect on us, and that there's a deeper meaning in all this geometry.